nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today we're going again to cook something very easy, taste and al bacio. We're going to cook some Italian sausage alla pizzaiola with pizzaiola sauce. It is absolutely easy, cheap and delicious. We need a few ingredients. I show you what we need. Ask your butcher some Italian sausages. This is the classic Italian. It's salt, pepper, garlic and fennel seeds. We're gonna use some olives, if you like, any olives, some passata, tomato paste, oregano, capers, some butter and garlic. Okay? Now I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do next step. Okay guys, next step, pan on, cold. We don't need very hot because I want to put the sausages inside soon, because if it's too hot, we break the skin. And I don't want that, okay? Some oil inside. I start put garlic in, your sausages inside. This everything gonna be cooking 20 minutes, half an hour, gonna be everything is ready. Then we're gonna brown it, the sausages, very well. Now guys, we leave to brown it very slow. When the temperature of the pan is a little bit high, we can add a little bit butter. I'm gonna show you anyway later. And always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel if you can, and check out our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Okay, when start browning the sausages, I'm gonna show you. Okay, we can add now the butter if you want the butter. If it's not obligatory. Okay, now we leave a very quiet, very gentle to brown it, and I'll show you the next step. Okay guys, when the sauce is brown nice like that, we start add the stuff. We add some capers, if you like. I like a lot. I put a lot. We put some oregano. This is 2 teaspoons of paste. Tomato. Already the smell, guys, is amazing. Medium low is good. You see, when it's like this, we add some olives. I put half of this, another half I'm gonna put later. Oh, look there. And now, you can put here the passata like I'm gonna do, or you can put some fresh tomato. I don't put the fresh tomato because my son don't like that. But with fresh tomato is absolutely stunning as well. Passata in. And now leave it to cook gently around 15 minutes, something like that. Not too long. Important, don't wanna be in the sauce completely, you know, wanna be a little bit. Yeah, look there guys. Whoa. Okay? If need some, you can add some water, stuff like that. Now, we cook medium low. Later, we're gonna check the salt. If you notice, I didn't put any salt and pepper, but now I'm gonna add some pepper because the sausage is already salty, but we need a little bit. The very good meat here is the garlic as well. We put some garlic powder, a little touch of salt. And later we're gonna check again, okay? Mix everything without lid, and that's it guys. See you in 15-20 minutes when it's gonna be ready to try. Okay guys, leave gonna reduce a little bit like this. Guys, the smell is wow. Check salt and pepper and put this olive left because I like different taste, and leave to cook another 5 minutes to be 15 and leave there to rest, okay? And see you later for, you know, gonna be like this guys. you know? Oh, look there, to test it. Now I'm gonna prepare bread. I'm gonna toast because I'm gonna eat just like that with some bread. That's it. This is the best way. See you later when it's finished, in 5 minutes. Okay guys, my Italian sausage is ready. Absolutely delicious. And the smell is amazing. Always is like something al bacio. Guys, my Italian sausage pizzaola is this. I'm going to eat now. Oh yeah, fantastic. Always guys, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.